In order for you to get a verified Momo number for your BE exchange withdrawal, what you need is to check the description and message me at WhatsApp. Yes, when you come, just go straight to the point that you want to buy a verified Momo number. Then I want me to also link it to your bank account for you, and I'll do it for you. Yes, and if you don't know how to also load the watch only, when you come, I'll show you how to load the watch only wallet. Yes, I'll give you address. As you check the description, you see that there is a watch only address there, so you can use it, or you just check the description and message me. When you come, I'll give it to you. Then these are also sample of Momo numbers. Yes, don't even attempt to use any of this because it won't work. It's just a sample of it. So if you check the description, you message me when you come. You need the B exchange app, you need the B exchange logins, you need the Momo number, you need the B exchange app, you need the logins, you need the Momo number. I will give them to you at a cost. Yes, we generate it and it comes with a cost. If you don't know how to also create a watch only, I will show you how to do it. So thank you. Subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video. Thank you.